morning when I wake and the sun is coming through. Oh, you fill my lungs with sweetness, and you fill my head with